Okay guys, back again, working on EJ, and while I was cleaning up some stuff, I came on to two problems. This might be also the reason why I am breaking up under boost. Yeah, still got the boost issue. Don't blame me, I'm trying to figure it out also. It's an old car and I'm doing my best. So I'm gonna show you what I think might be the problem and might be the problem. Okay, check it out. While I was cleaning, I I saw this. If you can see right down there, that black drip over there that was leaking, and when I removed the sensor, it looked like this. Now, as you guys may not know or may know, this is the stock map sensor of this car, and as you guys can see, it is totally melted and crusted. All the epoxy of it is melting off, and I am thinking it has to be a short circuit inside it, and that is the reason why I may be bringing up under boost. And the map sensor of a Subaru is mostly to regulate boost, to just see how much boost is running, and if it reaches its limited boost like 12 volts, or not 12, 5 volts, it will cut the boost. You will have reach your boost limit and it will it will just cut the boost. And the map sensor is located right here, against the shock tower, right behind the filter. And also what I have found was, check it out, my fuel pressure gauge took a dump. Now I don't know when this happened, or maybe I do know when it happened, but I forgot when it happened. But I was running way too high of a boost pressure. When I saw this, I swapped it out and added a new one. I added a new one, and when the car was idling, it was something like 53ish psi's, and the stock idle on these cars are roughly 41 to 43 psi's. So I was running 10 psi too much, like the car was constantly feeding fuel. So I lowered it down. That's one, and this has me wondering for the main issue. Man, this thing is just melted away. When I found that out, I also ordered uh, a new age map sensor. A new age map sensor. Sorry for the potato quality. I'm filming off my phone, so not working with my GoPro. Come on, doing with one hander over here. Come on, get out. Yeah. Okay. I got it with a pigtail. A legacy map sensor. I got it with a pigtail. To my dumbness, I don't know if this is a boost, if this is of a boosted legacy or a NA legacy. Well, that is something I will have to find out later. But yeah, I also got it with a pigtail, and I will be swapping it with this. Yes, but guys, keep in mind when you are thinking of swapping out to a new age map sensor, keep in mind that you have to recalibrate your ECU fitted to that map sensor, that specific map sensor, because um, on the stock map sensor, the map sensor maxes out to 15.2ish psi's of boost, and the legacy map sensors, I've googled it, and it maps out and it maxes out to something like 23 pounds of boost. So the scaling may be different. If you are running the stock boost controller from the car, you have to recalibrate it on your ECU. Or when you are just running electric boost controller, you have no problems with that. Just keep that in mind before you overboost the car and something goes bye bye. Yes, I've already back probed these plugs from the sensor, and the red one is power, the green one is ground continuity, and the white one is the signal wire. The power wire is 5 volts, so I already know that. And a nice way to know if your map sensor is good or bad is to back probe the ground wire and the signal wire. Put your tester on volts and start the car. If your it should idle around 1.4 and 1.8 volts, that's at idle. Any lower than that, it's bad, and any higher than that, it's bad. The newer H Subarus, they get the code P0107. That is, the map sensor is reading lower than half a volt, and P0108 that it reads above 4.5 volts. So yeah, when you get those codes, you know the map sensor is bad. And when you test it and you see a different number, it is on its way to bad. But the average idle voltage is around 1.4 and 1.8. Okay, I remove the sensor. Oh, that is one shitty looking sensor. Okay, I will be cutting off this pigtail to an extent like this from here, and I will be joining it with the new H pigtail. From the new H pigtail, the red one is power, the green one is continuity, and the red green is the signal wire. So connect it like that, and I will be able to run the new H sensor. All you need for this is a cutter, a soldering iron. Still got to search where I put that. And for best results, heat shrink. Never leave it without it. I used to use isolation tape or electrical tape, but this is much cleaner when you work with this. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. Okay, this is the final product. Everything is nice soldered up and heat shrinked, and right now I can just plug it in and take it for a drive. Also, I think I have to delete my stock boost controller because that is also melted out. Oh my god, that thing looks like shit, man. Whoa. Okay. This goes like this. Yes. And right now, if this is the wrong sensor, I can find a new H1 because the new H1s are much easier and much cheaper to find. In accordance with the other one, because the stock GC8 ones are, you cannot get them new, you cannot get them brand new. You always get them used, and it's almost a 20-year-old sensor. So no, not 20. Wait, 20? No, almost 30-year-old sensor. So yeah, the sensor is maybe toasted already. So the new H is much better. Right now I'm gonna hook everything up. The fuel pressure is already set, and I will be driving the car pretty soon and bring you guys along. Okay, what's up guys, I'm back. Right now I'm in the car, gonna take it for the first test drive with the new map sensor. Let's see if that solved my boost issue. I hope it did. I pray to God it did. Traffic, traffic, traffic. Sorry about the shakiness that will later occur. Still filming with my potato phone and my potato phone holder, so bear with me. Okay guys, second gear pull. Let's see if she'll hold boost. She holds! She holds! Wastegate pressure! 10 psi! She holds! Oh, finally! Finally! Oh my god! She holds boost! Dude, she sounds so sweet after a long time! Finally! She holds boost! Again. Hell yes, she holds. Yes, she finally holds. I'm pretty happy about that. Okay, so now I know she holds boost, and what I'll be doing in the future fit is reinstalling my boost controller and see if she will hold high boost. That will be it for this video, guys. I know it was a short test drive, but it's just the reason to know if she will hold boost, and she holds boost like a champ till red line. I did over rev it a little, I did hit limiter, but just a little too excited. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something from it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments below or DM us, and keep following till next time. Peace.